Hi all, Tom Davidson here, CEO of ACDC Metals. Pleased to be announcing our maiden REE results for Goschen Central project. We've just got our results back from the BV lab in Adelaide. So we've done 8 composite samples across our Goschen Central project, which was on the back of getting our assays back. We've pulled together the HM sachets, created the composites, and across a great area of 8.5 to 4 kilometres, the 10 to 15 metre thickness. We've sent those composites off and the results have come back great. We've seen grades between 2 to 3.1 TREO, so that's total rare earth oxide. And the assemblage that we've got back as well is showing us that we've got the good ones that we want to have in there. So the magnetic rare earth oxides, so that's the praseodymium, the neodymium, terbium and dysprosium. And there's good amounts in there. The distribution is really strong. We know that if we have those 4 in a good abundance, they can contribute to 90% of the value of the basket. And so that's why in the announcement as well, you would have seen there's a comparison to our peers that have further down the road, but at least puts us in that same ballpark of talking about our distribution of rare earths. And it brings an exciting next step. This is an important milestone that we've hit to be able to release rare earth oxide numbers, and this all will get culminated in the next few weeks with our maiden JORC resource, which will then really bolster these results. So the significance of these results, we know with the mineral sands plant operation, we're going to be producing 3 key products. So there'll be the monazite rare earth concentrate, the xenotime concentrate, and then the standard HM suite, which is your zircons and your titania metals. But we know that the rare earth concentrate is a big contribution to the overall revenue, between 30 to 40%. So seeing these numbers coming back, that first we do have the rare earths in the ground, and that it is going to be form a strong part of our resource. That we do have the key 4 magnet ones that are in high demand at the moment. The whole energy transition, the EV motors, the talk of removing the reliance on China and have that downstream value add is all these key steps. And that's why we're so excited, I guess, to see these come back in our results. And it also then flows on to our next stage of technology development with our monazite rare earth processing plant, which we're moving through those next stage gates and developing that as well. So this really does sort of give us that good mine to magnet flow sheet. So what's next for ACDC Metals? So as you can see on page 2, infield drilling assay results should be coming back imminently, and they're the final lots of results that we've been waiting on to be able to then go and do our maiden JORC resource. So once we get those numbers in, along with the numbers that we released back in June of the roadside drilling, the mineralogy of today's result, that will all then get handed over to our resource geologists. And they'll be then crunching the numbers and working through and producing our maiden JORC resource. At the same time, we're also progressing with our concept studies for both the mineral sands plant and our rare earth processing plant. And so the plan is that towards the end of the year, we should be in the position to report back our results of both those studies. So it's great today to be able to release some rare earth oxide numbers. When we got these tenements and formed ACDC, we obviously had all the previous results from CRA drilling, but none of that reported on the monazite or the xenotime numbers. You knew it was in the ground, but to be able to see the assays come back and to validate thinking that we should have a really good deposit there, very encouraging, and we're excited about the next steps in building our JORC resource.